Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine Marie. I am a self-taught sewist and I make videos here on YouTube all about fashion, beauty, and design. If you love fashion, beauty, and design videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video. Welcome to another episode of Recreating My Dream Pinterest Wardrobe. This episode is very special because this is a holiday edition thrift flip DIY. In this holiday season, I have been dreaming of a tulle blazer. So like a blazer type of look with tulle on the bottom. Yeah, I need one in my life. Here is the inspiration that I pulled from Pinterest. Again, I'm really going for a cute holiday blazer tulle look. In the next clips, I'll show you what we're going to be using to make this recreation. Quick disclaimer, I started making this recreation like a few weeks ago, so my hair is different. We're rocking the braids, but my hair might change a little bit throughout the video, so just enjoy the looks. I mean, I love changing up my hair, so get into this. What? This is incredible. I kind of don't like how it fits with the sleeves. There's just a lot of like fabric hanging here. So I think I'm gonna cut the sleeves off. I'm going to make a belt and add rosettes to it. I think I'm gonna cut the sleeves off, transform the sleeves into a rosette belt. I think it's gonna be great. I think it's gonna be cool, very like sexy. And I just wanna transform this into like a really cool, bold look. I cut the sleeves off the jacket. I kind of love her already. Like, she's just giving, I don't know why I thought of Michael Jackson, but like the Thriller jacket. What I have to do is sew the sides of the sleeves to finish out the jacket. And this is so cute. I love this. I cut up the sleeves into these strips. So I have 4 different strips here that I'm going to make into a belt. Once I sew it together, it'll be like a belt. I have to sew them all together, turn them inside out, and then sew them together to make like a longer piece. And then we're gonna have a belt. We're gonna tie it in the back. I think these rosettes are gonna look really cute when I sew them onto the belt because, I don't know, like I said, I just want a rosette moment. I'm just in a rosette mode. I think this is just a fun way to show that you could do a lot with your scrap fabric. Don't throw it away, make something new out of it. the final look. Y'all, this is cute, okay? I feel like the tool definitely helps. And it looks like a little sexy, right? It gives like a little bit of a peep show, but like not too much. I feel like the rosette belt came out super nice. I think I definitely needed a belt to cinch my waist in. So I feel like that was a really great addition. I don't feel too exposed because of the tulle here on the bottom. Like I said, it is a little short, but I think it still looks really good. Like I feel like if I sat down, I would be safe. I feel like this is really giving a cute holiday look. Like, I love the red, I love the tulle. I can totally imagine me doing this DIY again and using like a black blazer and like black tulle. That would eat. That would eat. I think we did that. I think this is so cute. Like, I love how it all came together. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I feel like this look turned out exactly how I wanted it to. I definitely want to make more of these like blazer tulle outfits because these are so cute and they're so easy to make. If you want to keep up with me, you can find me on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube at the Charmaine Marie. And if you love fashion, beauty, and design videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video. Thank you all so much for tuning into my channel. I feel like I haven't been as consistent on here as I want to, and I'm looking to change that, especially going into 2026. If you post videos here on YouTube regularly, let me know what you do to stay consistent on here. If you have any tips, I would love to know because I feel like I'm struggling a little bit, but I really want to be consistent on here. It's like my goal for the new year is to be more consistent on my channel. Thank you all again for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!